Hi, my name is Milind Bibikar and I bring to you one insight at a time to build a 100 crore project business. Now today I'm going to talk about lead generation strategy, which is getting referrals from your clients. If your inquiry pipeline is running dry, if you are making cold calls but people are not responding in this situation and you want to really avoid that rejection, if you don't know where your next lead is going to come from, then here is one very effective and quick strategy to quickly generate some leads for your project business. And the strategy is getting referrals from clients. Now, of course, there are many strategies to generate leads, but this strategy, particularly for project businesses, getting referrals from client works like wonders. And I have done that in my earlier business of water treatment, where you used to actually get more referrals from your existing clients. Now, word of mouth is one of the most common strategies that people use, but this strategy is unfortunately happens to us and we don't do anything proactively to get more leads. So you really don't know, you are really not sure who is going to refer to you and where you are going to get that lead from. So that is always uncertain. Now, what I'm going to do today is remove this gap or remove this uncertainty, remove this wait period and make it happen from our side, so that we are very sure that we are going to get referrals. And this is an outbound strategy that we have to do. So here are three things that I'm going to share. One is ask for it. We really don't get referrals because we don't ask. If we simply ask, we will keep getting the referrals. Now, of course, there is a way to ask. And there is a simple script that you can use. You can just say, Mr. Client, if you are really happy with what we have done for you, can I please ask for your help? Can you please refer me to somebody whom you know would require this particular product? It's as simple as that. Now, I would definitely suggest to stress on the word please and help. Because when you ask for help and say please, people are willing to help. Now, this is very simple. You just have to ask for it and when to ask. Okay, that's another point. You can ask for referrals when you have just completed their projects, or if you have handled any service issue, service call, immediately after completing that service call, you can ask for a referral. If not a referral, if they are not able to give you any referral as such, active inquiry, you can at least ask for any of the contact details that they can provide you. That way you can build your database list. Point number 2, keep in touch. When you keep in touch with all your clients, all your people that you are dealing with, then you earn the right to ask for referrals. You cannot just blindly ask for referral. You need to keep in touch first and then ask for referrals. So if in your project business, you are dealing with actually multiple people in that organization, you deal with projects people, you deal with design people, you deal with utility, you deal with purchase, you deal with consultants, influencers. So you need to keep in touch with all of them. Now make a list of all the clients and all the people whom you have been interacting or you can interact. Make a list of them and put them into call recycling. So go one by one, talk to them, finish the list. Finish the list, come back to the first one and do that again and again. So you need to keep in touch with them at least once in 90 days. That's the rule, once in 90 days. Now the third point is, if they have given you a referral, please reciprocate. Now what I mean by that is, you have to at least thank the person to start with, so that they are motivated to give you referrals again. But more importantly, what you can do is you can offer something in return. So that return could be maybe a free service. It could be a free training program for them, or at least a thank you card. Now this goes a long way. And that's the motivation for them to refer to you again and again and again. So to quickly summarize, you need to ask for referral, you need to keep in touch, and you need to reciprocate. I have done this myself in my water treatment business, where those people who left job at my client's place and joined some other company, the other company became my client. This happens all the time because people change jobs, and when they change jobs, the new company becomes your potential client. So I hope this insight will help you to generate more leads quickly, and those leads will be really qualified leads. You will at least get foot in the door. So with this insight, please start generating leads for your project business. I hope this was useful. I'm Milind Bibikar from Expanders Business Coaching Private Limited. I'll come back to you with more such strategies on sales and lead generation. Thanks a lot.